Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering strings and various functions of strings. Guys, I have uploaded complete PPS subject tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's get started. We call group of characters as string. For example, college, boy, CSC, hello world. All these are group of characters. We call group of characters as string. For example, if you consider character data type, by using character data type, we can store only single character. For example, character A equal to C. We can only store single character by using character data type. But if you want to store multiple characters in single variable, then you need to use string. For example, if you consider other programming languages like Python, PHP, there is string data type, but in C there is no string data type. So if you want to create any string, then you need to use character data type along with array. By using character data type and along with array, you can create string. This is example. Character A, open square bracket and close square bracket. The square brackets represent array. Character A equal to hello world. You can write any string inside this like name, college, etc. And definitely you need to include double quotations for string. For single character you need to include single quotations, but for multiple characters you need to include double quotations. Another important thing that you need to remember is for string we use format specifier %s where s stands for string. This is example program. Here I written character A, I open square bracket and then I close a square bracket. Inside square bracket we need to write size of string. For example, if my string contains 10 characters, then I need to write size of string as 10. This is example. For example, here my string name is boy. It contains 1, 2, 3 characters. So here I given size as 5. Whenever you give size as 5, that means maximum you can assign only 5 characters, or you can also assign less than 5 characters. This boy is 3 characters. So whenever you declare size as 5, that means you can assign 5 characters or less than 5 characters to the variable A. It is not mandatory to include size. You can also write like this: A, I open square bracket and then I close a square bracket. Inside this I did not given any size. Whenever you do not assign size to this variable, then automatically this variable A will count how many characters are present, like it will count 1, 2, 3. Total there are 3 characters, then by default it will take value as 3. So it is not mandatory to assign size of the variable. Next, string declaration. String declaration means I am not assigning any values to the string, just I am declaring string like character A of 10. Here I did not assign any value. I will assign value by using scanf. So here I written just character A of 10. I will give one program. Here I written character A of 10. That means I can store up to 10 characters. And after that I written printf enter text. By writing this printf function in output screen, I can see enter text. And next I written scanf %s comma and A. And after that I written printf your text is %s comma A. By using this scanf function I can write string. So here I given string as hello. So whenever I write hello, I can see output as your text is hello. As I already said, in this first character is stored in index number 0 and second character in index number 1, third in 2 and so on. Index number starts with 0. First character is stored in index number 0. So whenever I write here printf %c comma A of 0, here I written %c because I want to print only single character. So here I written %c comma A of 0. That means value which is present in index number 0 will be printed as output. So in index number 0 value is h. So here I will get output as h. For example, if I want to change this value h to j, then here I need to write A of 0 equal to j. We need to write j in single quotations. That means value which is present in index number 0 will be changed to j. Now h is changed to j. That means value which is present in index number 0 will be changed to j. Now I will get output as JELLOWRLD. Instead of declaring string like this, you can also declare like this: character A, open square bracket, close square bracket, that equal to open curly bracket, and inside curly bracket for each character I need to include single quotations. After writing enter character, you need to write /0 at the end, where /0 is null terminator. Meaning of /0 is end of string. There are various functions present in string. I will explain each with an example. First one is strlen function, where strlen stands for string length. If you want to find the length of string, then you need to use strlen function. This is example. Here I written character A of 20 equal to Nagendra, and inside printf I written length of string is %d comma strlen of A. By writing strlen of A, it will count length of string A. That means it will count how many characters are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total there are 8 characters present. So now I will get output as length of string is 8. You may get doubt like why I am using here %d. As it is string, I need to use here %s. But why I am using here %d? Because I am printing length of string. Length of string is integer characters. So here I am using %d, where strlen stands for length of string. I will get output as 8 because this length of string is 8. Next one is strcpy function, where strcpy stands for string copy. If you want to copy data from one string to another string, then you need to use strcpy function. This is example. Here I written character a of 20 equal to Nagendra. And similarly I took another character, that is character b20. Now I did not given any value to it. Now I want to copy this data, that is Nagendra, to this character b. So for that purpose I need to use string copy. Here I written string copy a comma b. By writing strcpy of a comma b, that means data which is present in a, variable a, will be copied to b. Here I written printf value of second string is %s comma b. Now by writing this function, this data is copied to this variable b. Now I will get output as value of second string is Nagendra. One is strrev function. strrev stands for string reverse. For example, if you want to convert string in reverse manner, then you need to use strrev function. This is example. Here I written character a of 20 equal to Naga, and here I written printf %s strrev of a. Now by writing this strrev of a, the string is converted in reverse manner. I will get output from last to first. So now I will get output as agan. This is output. One is strlwr function, where strlwr stands for string lower. For example, if you want to convert string in lower case, that is to small letters, then you need to use strlwr function. This is example. Here I written character a of 20 equal Naga, which is in capital letters. And I written printf %s comma strlwr of a. Whenever you write this string is converted to lowercase letters. So I will get output as naga, which is in small letters. And next one is strupr. This is opposite to lower. strupr stands for string upper function. For example, if you want to convert string to uppercase, then you need to use strupr. Here I written character a of 20 equal to Naga, which is in lowercase. Now I want to convert this Naga to capital letters. So for that I need to write printf %s comma strupr of a. By writing this strupr of a, I will get output as naga, which is in capital letters. Next one is strcmp function, where strcmp stands for string compare. If you want to compare two strings, then you need to use string compare function. This is example. Here I written character a equal to Naga, comma b equal to Naga. If strcmp of a comma b equal to 0, that means values which are present in variable a and variable b, if both are same, then I need to get output as equal, else printf not equal. If these both values are not equal, then I should get output as not equal. Here I written a equal to Naga and b equal to Naga. These both are same, so I will get output as equal. For example, here I written Naga, and then here I written some other name like Raju, then both are not equal. So I will get output as not equal. This is example of string compare function.